A deal to help clean up the debt mess in Europe sparks a spike in the U.S. stock market. The Dow up more than 300 points today, at one point over 400, ending the day above 12,000. It's the first time since August 1st that has happened. Cosmo Macero of O'Neill & Associates at our Beacon Hill studio tonight, braving the rain to talk more about this with us. But a huge day on Wall Street, Cosmo. That 12,000, very important number for investors.
It sure is. The market's up, the rain and the snow comes down. That European debt crisis looks like there's going to be resolution there. Private investors agreeing to take a loss on Greek sovereign debt. Greece says they're going to pay down a lot of their debt by 2020, in about 8 years. That really gives confidence to the markets today.
Also a pretty good GDP number today as well, showing the fastest growth this year for a month.
That absolutely helps confidence, Mark. And you know what? Hey, it's a good October. 2 more sessions. So bad things, I guess, could still happen, but October, usually you get those October, or often those October surprises, big market slides, sometimes a crash. A good October may mean a good end of the year.
Certainly does. And remember, October '87, a lot of people don't want to go back to there. A lot of people lost a lot of money that day. All right, let's talk about some things that aren't happening, despite some of these good numbers we saw today. And that is that a lot of people who thought maybe I'd like to purchase a second home someday, retire, move off to the lake, the mountains. That's not happening. A lot of homebodies now. People staying home.
Yeah, census figures show mobility is on the decline. Less mobility means less economic activity. When people move, good things happen, right? People buy houses, there's new apartment leases, home furnishings, appliance, and so forth. That stuff doesn't happen when people aren't moving, and that's what we're seeing right now.
And again, we mentioned those nice numbers today, but again, unemployment still hovering over this market, and it's a problem, a major problem. If you know anyone who's out of work, these are real challenging times for them. 4 in 10 not optimistic about landing a job, those unemployment numbers.
No, that's true. In fact, it's kind of a double whammy on this mobility thing, because in different times, in better times, people might look for opportunity elsewhere and just pack up and move. It's too much of a risk right now. They're not doing that. College-age students or college-age kids are staying closer to home. Better to spend 24/7 looking for that career job and living with mom and dad than working 3 or 4 part-time jobs just to make the rent. And then retirees, well, they're retiring, but they're not moving. They're not going away. They're not going to the Florida coast or elsewhere because they're staying closer to home.
Sure, it's understandable with those numbers. Sometimes you can see people get into a freeze mentality and they want to stay close to home. Cosmo Macero, O'Neill & Associates, appreciate your time tonight. Thanks.
All right, Mark, thank you.